June garden, early June, June 7. Let's check out my garden on early June, see where they're at. These are the beans, pole beans, indeterminate tomato, this is the pole bean trellis, another pole bean trellis, and tomato on the side. Pole bean and tomato. These are the long beans. And then I got cucumber going on this side. And eggplants. These are the asparagus. It's all done now. We're gonna let it seed. Check out the rest of my beds. This is the bush beans. This is where they're at. This is just green mustard or mustard greens. And then I got chili pepper going here. Along with these bottle gourd or bottle squash. It's gonna climb up here. Same thing on this side. A different type of bottle squash or bottle gourd. Same thing, hot pepper or chili pepper going on the side here. Looks like they will survive. And then I got bitter melon going. This is the seedling plants that I bought and it is not doing well. But these are the ones that I put in as seeds and they are coming out slowly but surely. So this is the bitter melon trellis beds that will climb up here. Should be very pretty. I've got purple yam going here. These are yam going in the middle here. And then I got the long cucumber going here in this bed, along with some yams in the middle. And I got, hopefully, these chayote will come out okay. I started inside and it need to be adjusted to the outside, so it is trying very hard to survive. 2 plants going. I think they're coming out slowly, trying to adjust to the outside. So that's those beds. And then this is the herbs. Not much is coming out yet at this point. More beds over here for cucumbers and squash. And then these are bell pepper that's going here. More squash, different type of squash and pepper going on the side. Sweet pepper going on the side here. More squash and pepper. Sweet pepper going. I got some more yams going here from a friend who gave me 2 yams at it. I started getting all these seedlings from it. So here we go. Lots of yams going here, all over here too, going along there. So this is what it looks like in June, early June. We will do an update soon when everything starts to climb up on these trellis. Should be really pretty. So this is where we are at today, June 7th.